Hello guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be playing some Pilot Training Flight Simulator. So, let's jump right in. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so let's just jump right in. La 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 la. Why is my mouse only visible? Look at that. La 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 la. Oh wait, I'm getting a call.
Yo, what's up?
Hey, it's Starboy. It's Starboy. Yeah, Kanatio Studios.
Yeah, so...
And did you know I'm shooting a video right now? I literally just started.
Oh, wow. That's good timing.
Okay, so you want to come join me? Meet me at Greater.
Oh, wait, you're on. You're on my server.
Oh, I didn't even know. I just joined in. Okay, but guys, let's get an airliner. Hey, Starboy, isn't Southwest just the best?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, because wait, I haven't. That is the only airline I've been on.
Yeah.
I've been on.
I'm flying a jet around. Wait, what airport are you at?
Greater.
What? Raider?
Yeah.
I just broke the sound barrier, so I'll be over there really fast.
How do you break the sound barrier in this game? Like, does it tell you or something? Okay, I'm a horrible driver at airplanes already. I've already gone on the grass.
Oh my gosh. I'm trying to fly over you.
Okay, I'm gonna be taking off.
I'm going over 600 miles an hour in a second.
I'm going 12 miles.
Oh, it crashed.
Hey guys, go check out his channel, Starboy Gaming, and also Super Epic Review Guy.
Nice.
Okay, I've just taken off and I'm heading to Perth.
Oh dang, I crashed. So I'm at Perth now because I crashed.
Okay. Oh, you come. I'm going there.
I'm gonna meet you in the air. That'll be fun.
Okay. So, no, I'm going to go to Perth.
I'm just gonna take off.
Actually, wait. I got an idea. I'm going to be the ATC at Greater Rockford.
No.
Yes.
I'm gonna crash into the ATC tower just making that. Hold on. Let's go straight up.
Guys, if you're wondering what game this is, it's Pilot Training Flight Simulator. Find it on Roblox, completely free, no fees. But if you want Robux, you're gonna have to pay fees. Uh-oh, I'm crashing!
What? Okay, I'm like over.
Bang! Okay, let me go on. Let me go up the elevator and back. Hello, I am a YouTuber, and I'm the ATC at GR. Hello, I am a YouTuber, and I'm the ATC at GR. What YouTuber? I'm gonna say this. Unspeakable.
Imagine.
Oh,
I actually believe that.
unspeakable gaming.
Imagine if they actually believe
Oh my god.
Lol.
I'm shooting a vid. I'm shooting a vid right this second.
Tell my friend is a YouTuber too.
I'm shooting a vid right this second.
Oh my gosh, you can see me diving.
I don't see you anywhere.
Yeah, I'm like a blur. I'm gonna fly back to find the ATC.
Okay, I just saw you go. I just saw you go by.
I'm going straight up now.
Yeah, he's not unspeakable. No, I am. No, I am. No, I am.
I'm not falling for it.
You are not. Okay, I'm not. It's unspeakable. Unspeakable.
Tell them that you are, but you still are a YouTuber.
Okay, I'm not unspeakable. I spelled unspeakable wrong. I spelled it. Okay, unspeakable. But I am a YouTuber. Okay, I'm not unspeakable, but I am a YouTuber. And I'm making a vid right this second.
Oh, what's your channel?
What?
Know what your channel is.
Because you said truth, I'll sub. And what is wrong with my arms? What is wrong with my arms, guys? What is wrong? Okay, I'm going to go fly an airplane. We are all small YouTubers. Yes, we are. We are. I only have 10 or 11 in
Oh, dude, I'm at 50,000 feet.
10 or 11 subs.
Oh, wait, what? What happened?
Let me get in my Boeing 737 with the Southwest. Starboy GD. When did you think about starting a YouTube channel, my friend?
Who? Me?
Yeah.
I don't know. I just felt like it.
Why?
Because I love to watch YouTube and I decided I wanted to make a YouTube channel on my own.
Me too. I just one day on New Year's Eve I posted my first video, and today it has 46 views. And that is just amazing for this channel. But that is I only have 10 subs, guys, so subscribe. Cause 10 subs is less than a quarter of the views I got on my first video. I've gotten over 200 views in total, guys. Thank you guys for over 200 views altogether. It really helps.
I've been just being quiet the whole time. I need to start talking. Oh god.
Yeah. And also we're Steam chatting if you didn't know. Cause we're like that.
Yeah. I'm going so fast.
Okay, I'm already you wanna get really high. Okay. I'm flying. Oh, I see you. DC Southwest 3993.
Yeah, I did.
That's me.
Oh,
Okay, let's go to Perth.
I'm gonna beat you.
Yeah, you are. I'm a commercial airliner.
So slow.
Hey, I'm going over 100 miles an hour. You can't blame me. And also, I'm above the clouds. Are you?
No. Now I am. How high are you?
Almost 4,000 feet in altitude.
I'm getting 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000.
Okay, you are like, you're already in space.
12,000.
Yeah, you're already in space.
13,000.
You are in space.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna tell you when I hit 20.
Yeah, that'll give you like,
I'm gonna turn off this chat.
it doesn't bother
I
me.
hit 20,000.
I'm going to ask Perth Tower.
No, I'm just gonna land.
Perth Tower.
I don't care what Perth says.
Are you there? Are you there?
Probably not.
Perth Tower, are you there? Okay.
I'm just like chilling. Going over 570 miles an hour.
Okay. Roger. Okay. May I land? I land. And when I get it to Perth.
Your clicks are so loud.
No, they aren't. They're like normal clicks. If you think my clicks are loud, try clearing Gabe's clicks.
Are they loud?
Yes. They're like tick, 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 tick.
That's what yours sound like. What?
But they're like way louder.
You wanna go play some Gario?
Okay guys, that'll do it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and bye! Uh-oh, we're going down, we're going down, we're going down! Uh-oh, we're going down! Uh-oh, we're going down. Get your parachute out! Okay, guys, we just gotta make it to St. Bartholomew.
I ended my video already.
Okay,
It's still on the chat.
yeah. You can leave the chat, because we're just gliding down.
Okay, but do you want to play Gario?
Sure. Okay, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Bye.